Hi guys, welcome to the fascinating world of business analysis. So if you are a business analyst who's struggling to visualize the future state application flow for your customer, then this video is for you. But before we dive in, hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive many more videos like this. Hi, I'm Sajna Venil. I'm the founder of Business Analysis Hub, the fastest growing community of business analysts here in India. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 9 simple steps that will help you visualize the future state application in a better way. So let's first understand why visualize your application flow. So visualizing your application flow is very crucial. It helps you get the big picture of how your software is going to work, how the users are going to interact with it, and also aids in debugging and troubleshooting later. So let's take a look at what are the steps that we should adopt for an effective visualization. Step number 1, understand the current application. So the first step of your visualization is to thoroughly understand the application that is currently being used by your customer. Understanding the application includes understanding the major components of the application, how the software works, how the users interact with it, and also the upstream and downstream applications that send or receive data to it. This knowledge helps you visualize better about what future features or components should be included in the new software. Step number 2, start with a flowchart. Use a flowchart to draw the current state of the system. Flowchart is a very effective tool to visualize an application flow. So start with a blank flowchart and begin adding components to it, input, output, processing, and illustrate the current state of the application first. You can do a similar type of a flowchart for the future state of the application. The flowchart gives you enough clarity about the input that will come to the system and the processing that will happen and the output that will go out of the system. Step number 3, define user path. Yes, the next step is to define your user path. So once you have drawn the user path, you will get clarity around how the users are going to interact with your software. So identify all possible routes the user will take to interact with your software and draw it in the form of a flowchart. You can do a separate flowchart for every user interaction. Step number 4, interaction points. Yes, identify interaction points in your software. These are the points where the users and the software interaction will meet. So these are the areas where either input is received or output is generated. So clearly mark them on your flowchart. Step number 5, decision points. In your flowchart, indicate decision points. These are moments where the application makes choices based on user input or data. So use conditional statements to represent these points. Step number 6, error handling. Do not forget error handling. In your flowchart, include branches that can show error scenarios and also indicate how your software is going to respond back to these unexpected situations. Step number 7, data flow. In addition to the flowchart, consider creating a data flow diagram that will illustrate how data moves through your application. That will help you track data processing and storage. Step number 8, tools and software. To create these visualization, you need to use appropriate tools. Some of the popular options include flowchart software, diagramming tools, and even drawing applications. So use an appropriate tool to create these visualizations. Step number 7, keep it updated. Remember, your application flow isn't static, so update your visualizations to reflect the changes in your software as it grows and adapts. So I believe by now you have already understood that visualizing an application flow is a powerful way to gain insight into your software, making it easier to design, develop, and maintain. It's a skill that every business analyst should possess. So if you would like to know how an IT solution can be built based on a customer's problem, you can walk into our Project Implementation Mastermind, where students work on a capstone project, they understand the customer's problem and design a solution that's the best fit for that problem. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Have you used flowcharts or visualization tools in your project? Let me know. Thanks for watching.